Well, here we are at beautiful Rob Site Ford with Patrick and Hillary. Patrick and Hillary, what did you guys come in today for?
A new car.
A new car, all right. And what did you get there?
A new car.
A new car. That looks like a sterling gray Explorer.
Yes.
That is absolutely beautiful. Well, you guys, when you came in today, I told you at the very beginning that I was going to try to make it fun. Was it fun today?
It was a blast.
Good, good. Well, we're glad that you came in. And also our motto here is that was easy. Did we make it easy for you also?
Yes.
Extremely easy.
Extremely.
All right.
The easiest experience we've ever had.
Well, thank you so much, guys. And you enjoy your new Explorer. I'm sure your sons will enjoy it also. And we just want to thank you for coming in.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
All right. Bye.
Bye.